I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Today's video I'm going to be focusing on this baby here. This is from Tarte, and this one is called Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Okay, and this is not like a regular eyeshadow palette, a foil finger paint shadow palette, and I've been using this baby like in 3 different occasions, and seriously I am in love with this palette. I think it's amazing. It's a little bit pricey for the amount of eyeshadows that you're getting in here because the palette, it's really tiny. Okay, not sure if you guys can tell, but it's a really tiny palette. The packaging of this palette is just beautiful, you guys. I'm going to show you right now the packaging. So this is when you open up. Do you guys see that? How beautiful this is? The packaging is just stunning. I'm in love with this packaging because I love that blue, greenish color, turquoise, aqua colors. I love them, and this is beautiful. Here are the colors: Gold Coast, Sailor Delight, Sea Glass, and Stargazers. Like glitter toppers, these 2 right here, and then here are the eyeshadows. Okay. You don't even have to press that much and you get crazy pigment. So this one here is Sailor Delight. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god. And then this one is Sea Glass. It's just stunning. I love it. No words to describe how amazing and different these eyeshadows are. Like, they're creamy, they're really pigmented. Okay, you don't even have to press that much to get like really full-on pigment. And let me show you guys the other 2. These 2 right here, they're Stargazers. So a little bit of this one, and this one you have to be careful because I mean it's glitter, like pressed glitter is basically what it is. Okay, so here are the other 2. This camera is just not getting how gorgeous this is. Really, it's not. Do you guys see that? How stunning that is? So this beauty here retails for $39 at Sephora, and I think it's totally worth it. If you're a makeup lover like I am, you seriously need this baby in your collection. Okay, I know it's a little bit pricey because it retails for $39, but I think it's totally worth it. This baby was recommended by Haley Brooks. Hey Haley, thank you so much, girl, for recommending this palette because it's gorgeous, and I totally 100% agree with you. And yes, I also recommend to each and every one of you guys, if you're a makeup lover, once again, you definitely need this baby in your collection. Let me stop talking and let me create a simple look. Definitely I would use this palette with another palette simply because I don't have my base colors and other colors if I want to create a makeup look. But you can definitely use this palette by itself. I mean, you just get whatever color is in here and you just put it on and it will create a cute makeup look. But now if you want to go more into detail and you want your makeup to look more sharp and more glam, then you definitely need another palette. So anyways, for this look I'm going to be using the Kathleen Lights and Morphe palette. Start with a light color and put all over my lid, sorry. So for this look, I'm not going to take too long or anything because this is going to be fast. This is just, you know, when you're in the go and you just want to create a simple look. It's kind of hot in this room, like literally I'm sweating. Okay, so I'm going to be getting, what color am I going to be getting? Okay, so I'm going to be getting this brown shade right here. I'm going to be building up the color. I just want to create a brown smoky look, something that is fast, something that doesn't take too much time. A bit of this gray color right here. Okay. And I'm going to put it in my outer crease. So let me get a little bit more of this shade right here. And once again, the color is very pretty. It's like a grayish dark color. I'm going to be getting this color right here. I've been with acrylic nails for 2 years, more than 2 years actually. And I finally removed them and oh my god, I'm loving this freedom. It's amazing to have this freedom. And short nails are cute too, like whatever, you know? As long as they're painted and have some color going on, it's all good. What? Okay, let me put a little bit more on this eye because apparently I put more on this eye than I did on this one. And I'm going to be putting it here. Oh my god, you guys, do you see that? How pretty that is? It's just, this is just stunning. You can create so many looks with this and it's so easy and simple to use. I love this. You can use it with the brush or you could use it with your fingers, but seriously, fingers are better. I mean, that's what it says here, is foil finger paints. Do that in my inner eye. Oof, I'm loving this. This camera is just not doing justice to how pretty this is. Seriously. No bueno. So now on the other eye. And now I'm going to be putting sea glass. This one right here. Which is like a darker, oh my god, this is so creamy. So since this one is like a darker tone, I'm going to be putting it in my outer eye because I wanted to create like a smoky type of effect. It is so simple and so easy to use. I'm loving it. Getting a little bit of this color here. Okay, so let me put a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, so that it's done. Finito. So, and now I'm going to be putting the eyelash primer because I don't want to put fake eyelashes for this look, even though it will look really cute though. And this time I'm going to be using the Tarte mascara. So guys, I'm trying to put 2 layers so I can get more volume with the eyelashes because I don't want to put the fake eyelashes on for this particular look. Even though it would look really cute, but I just don't want to. I really like this color. This one is from Jeffree Star and it's called Baby Daddy. Anyway guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like this little tutorial slash review about this beautiful and gorgeous palette. Once again, you guys, I highly recommend this palette. Seriously, you need this in your collection. If you're a makeup lover, you definitely need this baby in your collection because it's different, you know, it's different than the regular eyeshadow. It's different than the eyeshadow palettes. So I highly recommend it. Once again, just look at that packaging. Isn't that pretty? It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's unique, it's different. The colors right here are the ones that I use for this particular look. I put the lighter one on this side and then the darker tone, which is sea glass, on the outer crease, just to intensify the look a little bit more, kind of like a smoky look. This palette to me is just beautiful and I'm so happy that I went ahead and I ordered. And if you guys are wondering what was the other palette that I used, is the one of Murphy and Kathleen Light. And this is on the other side. Oh my god, look at Kathleen, she's so freaking cute. One of these days, I'm definitely going to see Kathleen at the airport. Ah! I'm gonna be so happy, and I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I'm gonna take a picture with you because I love you. And hopefully she says yeah, and we can take a picture, and then I'll share with you guys the picture. Anyways, I'm dreaming, but I'm pretty sure that one day that's going to happen, right? I mean, I work in the airport. Anyways, I hope that you guys like this little small tutorial slash review slash tutorial, I'm not sure, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you did, please, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you can be notified every single time I make a video, and you become part of this little family. Anyways guys, thank you so much again for watching, and until the next one, ciao. Mwah. Bye guys.